Hi and welcome. Whether you're a sole proprietor or manage an entire marketing team, choosing the right combination of software for your marketing stack can be a challenge. Some software is completely free with a few simple features, but other software options cost a lot of money and contain a ton of features you may not even use. In this video, we'll give you the information you need to make an objective assessment of which marketing package is the best option for your business. The marketing engine helps business owners create a website and other automated sales funnels with lots of templates and extra features to help anyone create an online company. If you're an entrepreneur or online business owner, you may have heard of the ClickFunnels digital marketing platform. While ClickFunnels is certainly a popular and effective way to build an online brand, it is not the only service of its kind on the market. There are many platforms offering similar options at different prices with different strengths and weaknesses. So for the best success for your business, you need to make sure that you choose the digital marketing platform that best fits your brand needs. At the end of the day, there is no one-size-fits-all service. If you have a service or product to sell online, ClickFunnels can help you create smart sales funnel that help turn browsers into loyal and repeat customers. This helps users spend less time learning how to build a website for their brand and more time marketing and engaging customers. The catch is that ClickFunnels are quite expensive, especially compared to many other great tools on the market. The first alternative to ClickFunnels is Systeme.io, a marketing platform that is relatively new to the game. Although the service is already well established in France as well as in the United States. Like ClickFunnels, Systeme.io is aimed at entrepreneurs and online business owners looking for a simple and manageable way to take care of their own online company. You can create landing pages for your products and services, sales funnels that will turn your visitors into customers, and email automation to develop your relationship with your audience. So Systeme.io focuses on creating courses that allow you to either sell information or use information as a marketing tool. Creating interactive courses to captive and convert your audience is one of the most successful ways to build trust and expand your customer base. You can easily create customized courses that will attract and engage both new and existing contacts. Regardless of your business, you have something to teach and someone looking for knowledge to share. Systeme.io also automates course registration, tracking, and targeted marketing for future courses. Systeme.io gives you the ability to quickly create evergreen webinars that will educate and motivate your customers to take action. Systeme.io webinars give you a platform to share information about your classes, courses, or products. They're also useful for moderating the flow of customer service requests, helping customers learn how to use and effectively manage the products or services they've purchased from you. There are several ways to use webinars to improve your business, and Systeme.io makes it easy to set them up without integrating a lot of additional software. Blogs are another great way to tell potential and existing customers about your products and services. They give the company a unique style and voice, and blogs provide a place to showcase your core values, your core culture, and of course your products. In addition, a well-written blog gives your company a unique voice that can attract new customers. Creating blogs on Systeme.io is also pretty easy. There's an easy access tab on the members toolbar, and the creation process is essentially drag and drop. So tags blogs are easy to add and remove, as are images. There are a limited number of template options that you can choose and use, and the final product is visually appealing. Best of all, you can edit and publish your blog using the same software that manages your webinars and workflows. So Systeme.io blogs are just one example of how you can streamline your business with this feature-rich software. You can also use Systeme.io to create a customized direct delivery business. Although Systeme.io has many features, its user's interface is well designed so it's easy to understand. The elements are clearly labeled and organized, and the user interface is designed so that you can quickly create products, automation, and other elements of your digital marketing. To create pages of any type, Systeme.io provides a drag and drop editor that follows the same philosophy as is easy to use and understand. The editor allows you to add your own HTML or JavaScript code to your pages, and you get the what you see is what you get editor. So if you know how to use Word, you'll be right at home. Like for each type of funnel you want to build, Systeme.io will provide you with a pre-designed steps and templates. Of course, you can create your funnel with any number of steps. Each step has its own set of templates that you can preview. If a step is a page, its design is mobile ready and you can customize it according to your needs, just like other steps. You'll find that Systeme.io makes it very easy to create all the pages you want or need to sell your physical and digital products. Since this is not shopping cart software in the traditional sense, you'll need to use another service that will host and deliver it to your customers after their purchase. So you will find that Systeme.io provides you with a set of very important tools to help you promote your business. You can create landing pages known as squeeze pages, thank you pages, as well as pop-up forms, A/B tests, affiliate programs, and many more. At the heart of Systeme.io is automation. You can set up rules and entire workflow to automate the entire ordering process. It's the same with a new subscriber. The visual editor illustrates each step of the automation workflow. The user-friendly approach makes automation just as simple. It's really similar to ClickFunnels, but much cheaper. 4 different pricing packages offer different levels of benefits, starting with a freemium plan that offers the audience everything they need to start a business at absolutely no cost. This plan includes up to 1,000 subscribers, unlimited emailing, and you can create unlimited funnels based on verified templates. You can accept payments via Stripe or PayPal at no additional cost. You can also run your own affiliate program that earns you 40% lifetime commissions on Systeme.io sales. When comparing ClickFunnels alternatives, try to choose a solution that meets your business expectations and fits your budget constraints. If you're new to the world of online business, Systeme.io may be the perfect software to help you get started, as it covers everything on one easy-to-use integrated marketing platform. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Hope this was useful. Take care and bye-bye.